Three climbers from the tri-state area were killed Sunday in Washington state when they got caught up in the deadliest avalanche to date they used this year. The trio were among a group of 6 people attempting to scale part of Kolchak Peak when the lead climber triggered the snow slide, according to local authorities. 4 climbers were swept about 500 feet down the steep mountain, sheriff officials said. The 3 who died were a 60-year-old New York woman, a 66-year-old man from New Jersey, and a 53 Connecticut man. A 56-year-old man from New York sustained no life-threatening injuries and was able to get down to the base camp. 2 other survivors were hurt. Once they reached the camp, a 7th hiker who stayed behind went to help. The avalanche was the deadliest in the country since 4 backcountry skiers were killed in a Utah avalanche 2 years ago.